Are you talking to your puppies? You say hi, puppies? No, you're not going outside, boys. You're gonna sit and play with your sister. Say hi, sister. Say hi, puppies. Can you say hi? Hi, Brother Harper. Say hi, Brother Harper. Do you love your puppies? Stella. Say hi, puppies.
Bye.
Bye. You want them to go bye-bye? Are you saying hi to your puppies? Hi, Puppy Harper. Say hi, Harper. I love you. Say hi, Jagger. I love you too. You talking to your puppies? You say hi. Oh, give kisses. Oh, was that nice? Did Harper give you a kiss? Harper give you a kiss? That was so nice. Can you give another kiss, Harper? Give another kiss? Oh, I guess they're gonna go lay down.